The Life Nature project is aimed at reducing the environmental impact of conventional galvanic coating methods and facilitating the effective recycling of waste generated by mechanical processes, in particular contaminated aluminium shavings. Hot dip galvanizing methods has a strong environmental impact. High energy consumption and water consumption, use of hazardous substances, production of waste including dust particles, ashes and zinc dross, and lastly, emissions into the atmosphere. The Life Nature project has envisaged an innovative process for coating drawn wire. Such a process entails the reuse of recycled aluminium generated from mechanical processes. The drawn wire undergoes a shot blasting treatment to clear the surface from iron oxides that may be present and facilitate the subsequent coating phase. At this point, the wire is preheated through induction. After that, the wire, under a controlled atmosphere, runs up to the aluminium coating system, comprised of a system that functions through induction. The said system, extremely small in size, retains a small amount of aluminium in the molten state. The water cooling section concludes the wire coating phase. The wire can now be used as it is or for realizing electro-welded meshes. In the latter case, the process continues with the electro-welding phase, where the coil of the wire is straightened out, cut, and then welded to obtain meshes in the desired size and shape. The analysis conducted by our partners showed that the above method provides excellent wire coating performance, as well as the possibility of obtaining half-size coatings with equal protection, efficient mesh welding and corrosion resistance properties that are decidedly higher compared to zinc-coated wire, even under severely corrosive environments. Thanks to the new Life Nature process, it will be possible to reduce the use of natural exhaustible resources, drastically reduce energy usage, obtain products with greater durability compared to conventional wires and zinc-coated meshes, skip the hot dipping phase, which is known to have a high environmental impact, cut production costs.